Exercise 1.2, question number 10, Roman 7, y equal to tan inverse of a plus b tan x upon b minus a tan x. To have here 1 in place of b, we should have 1 here. So we will divide the numerator and denominator by b. Then it will become a by b, see here, a by b by b will get cancelled, then it will become tan x, and in the denominator b by b will give you 1 minus a by b tan of x. Now this is of the type tan inverse of a plus b upon 1 minus ab. See here, tan inverse of a plus b upon 1 minus ab. That will give you tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. See here, it will give you tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. Here it is tan inverse of a by b plus tan inverse of tan of x. Tan inverse of tan of x will give you x, and now we can differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to this constant tan inverse of a by b. Derivative of that will be 0 and derivative of x is 1 here. Now Roman 8, y equal to tan inverse of 5 minus x upon 6x square minus 5x minus 3. We will write the denominator as 1 plus 6x square minus 5x minus 4, because 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So denominator is as it is. Only one change is there, 1 minus 4 we are writing in place of this minus 3. Now we can have factors of 6x square minus 5x minus 4. See here, 6x square minus 5x minus 4. This minus 4 into 6 will give you minus 24. So we can factorize it as minus 8, 3. So 6x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 4. Taking out 2x common, we can have in the bracket 3x minus 4. Taking out 1 common, we can have in bracket 3x minus 4. Now 3x minus 4 we can take it out, and in the bracket we can write 2x plus 1. So we have the factors of 6x square minus 5x minus 4 as 3x minus 4, 2x plus 1. Okay. Also, this 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 4 can give you 5 minus x. So numerator can be written as 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 4. 2x minus 3x is minus x. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. 1 as it is, and the 6x square minus 5x minus 4, we have factorized it as 2x plus 1, 3x minus 4. So the problem is in the form tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab. Okay. So we know that this tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab is tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. Here in this case, tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab can give you tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b, that is tan inverse of 2x plus 1 minus tan inverse of 3x minus 4. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Derivative of tan inverse of 2x plus 1. It will be 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 1 bracket square into derivative of this 2x plus 1, which is 2. Now derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and therefore derivative of tan inverse of 3x minus 4 will be 1 upon 1 plus 3x minus 4 bracket square into derivative of this 3x minus 4, which is 3 here. So final answer is 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 1 bracket square minus 3 upon 1 plus 3x minus 4 bracket square. Now Roman 9 y equal to cot inverse of 4 minus x minus 2x square upon 3x plus 2. Cot inverse of theta is always tan inverse of 1 upon theta. That is, cot inverse of angle is tan inverse of reciprocal of that angle. Now we can have this 4 as 1 plus 3. In place of 4 we are writing here 1 plus 3. Now we will factorize this 3 minus x minus 2x square. See here, 3 minus x minus 2x square. So 3 into minus 2 will give you minus 6. Minus 3 into 2 can also give you minus 6. So we do have factors as minus 3, 2. So we are writing this as 3 minus 3x plus 2x. Once again you can have minus x and minus 2x square as it is. Now taking out 3 common here, 1 minus x plus 2 common, 2x common, it will be 1 here minus, if you are taking 2x common, then here it will be x. 1 minus x, 1 minus x, we are taking it out common, and in the bracket we will have 3 plus 2x. Okay, so we have factors of 3 minus x minus 2x square as 2x plus 3, 1 minus x. See this, 3 minus x minus 2x square can be factorized as 2x plus 3, 1 minus x. If we subtract these two brackets, see here, 2x minus x can give you 3x again, and 3 minus 1 can give you 2. So 3x plus 2 can be written as 2x plus 3 minus 1 minus x, and 3 minus x minus 2x square can be factorized as 2x plus 3 and 1 minus x. This is of the form tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab. That is tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. Here in this case tan inverse of 2x plus 3 minus tan inverse of 1 minus x. We know that derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Therefore derivative of tan inverse of 2x plus 3 will be 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3 bracket square. But derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2 minus, once again derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Therefore derivative of 1 minus x will be 1 upon 1 plus 1 minus x bracket square into derivative of this minus x, which is minus 1. So this minus 1 into this minus 1 can give you plus 1. So this is the final answer. Now exercise 1.3, question number 1. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Y equal to x plus 1 bracket square upon x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. We can have the derivative by u by v rule also, but to simplify this function we can take log on both the sides. We know that log of a by b equal to log of a minus log of b. Therefore we can have here log of x plus 1 bracket square minus log of x plus 2 bracket cube x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. Now we know that log of ab is always equal to log of a plus log of b, and therefore we can write in place of this log of this bracket cube into this bracket cube as log of x plus 2 bracket cube plus log of x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. Now we know the property that log of a raised to p is always p log a. That means power will come down here. Here 2 comes down. Here also this 3 will come down. This 4 will come down. Okay. So minus sign will go inside. Now differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log of something is 1 upon that thing, and derivative of y is dy by dx. 2 into log of something 1 upon that thing. Okay, so log of x plus 1 will be 1 upon x plus 1, 3 as it is. Log of x plus 2, derivative of that is 1 upon x plus 2, 4 as it is. Derivative of log of x plus 3, 1 upon x plus 3. Now this upon y will go to that side and will become into y. Y is this bracket square upon x plus 2 bracket cube, x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. And we are writing y here, and this bracket will remain as it is. Okay, now Roman 2 y equal to cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 5 minus 2x bracket square. This cube root can be written as raised to 1 by 3. Taking log on both the sides, we can have this as log of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square raised to 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 can come down now. We know that log of a raised to p is always equal to p log a, and therefore this 1 by 3 log of a raised to p, that means this 1 by 3 can come down, and 1 by 3 log of this bracket. Okay, now once again log of a by b, see here, is equal to log of a minus b, and therefore this log of this 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 5 minus 2x square can give you log of 4x minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3 5 minus 2x bracket square. See here. Now minus sign can go inside, and at the same time this 2 can come down, because log of a raised to p is p log a. Now we can differentiate easily. Derivative of log of something 1 upon that thing, derivative of log of y 1 upon y, and derivative of y is dy by dx 1 by 3 as it is. Derivative of log of 4x minus 1 will be 1 upon 4x minus 1, but derivative of 4x is 4 here, and derivative of 1 is 0, so we are writing only 4 here. Derivative of log of something 1 upon that thing, that is 1 upon 2x plus 3 into derivative of 2x is 2 here. Derivative of 3 is constant, as it is a constant, derivative is 0. So derivative of 2x plus 3 we are writing as 2. Minus 2 as it is. Derivative of log of 5 minus 2x is 1 upon 5 minus 2x into derivative of this minus 2x is minus 2. Now this minus 2 into minus 2 can give you 4 here. This minus 2 remains as it is, and 4 ones are 4. This upon y will go to that side and become into y. In place of y we are writing this cube root. Okay, so final answer is this cube root upon 3, this inner bracket as it is. Now Roman 3 y equal to x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 into sine cube 2x into 2x square, taking log on both the sides. Log of a into b into c can give you log of a plus log of b plus log of c. Okay, now log of a raised to p is p log of a, therefore 3 by 2 log of x square plus 3 it will be. Log of a raised to p here, this p is 3, so it will become 3 log sine 2x. Log of a raised to p, p log a, therefore log of sine cube 2x will be 3 log sine 2x. Log of 2 raised to x square is x square log 2. Now we can differentiate. Derivative of log of something 1 upon that thing, derivative of y is dy by dx 3 by 2 constant along with variable as it is. Log of something 1 upon that thing, but derivative of this inner bracket x square plus 3 is 2x. 3 as it is along with a variable. Log of something 1 upon that thing, therefore derivative of log of sine 2x is 1 upon sine 2x. Derivative of sine is cos, and derivative of this angle 2x is 2. Log 2 is the constant thing along with variable will remain as it is, and derivative of x square is 2x. We can have this y, that y will go to another side, and it will become upon y will become into y. We can place the value of y here, x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 sine cube 2x to x raised to 2. Okay, the inner bracket will remain as it is, as this 2 will get cancelled. 3x upon x square plus 3. 2 3s are 6. Cos upon sine is cot of 2x, and this 2x log 2 remains as it is.